whenever I've had a new client come to me, they said, hey, listen, it's super important for me to be able to style my hair tomorrow. I know you're going to make it look good when I leave here, but I want to be able to make it look good myself tomorrow. So how do I do that? And what they didn't understand is that it's the shape that needs to be cut in correctly, right? You can, like I said, anyone can cut hair. They can take scissors and cut the hair and make it shorter, and now you've had a haircut. But if that shape wasn't done correctly, then you're not going to be able to make it look good. It's kind of like origami, right? If you take a piece of paper and let's say you want to make it look like a star, somebody could actually cut the shape of a star into the piece of paper, and that star will always be there every single day because you've cut that shape. But maybe somebody who's not good at cutting a star goes in and cuts a really crappy star in that piece of paper, but they're good at origami and they fold the paper in a way and make it look like a beautiful star, right? They style that piece of paper into a beautiful star. And then when you unfold it, you can't duplicate it back because you don't know origami. You don't know how to make it look good again. But for the person who actually executed cutting that piece of paper like a perfect star, well, you don't have to unfold it because it's already a perfect star.